as you can tell already by the title, today is going to be a blowout routine. This is pre-washed hair. It's still a bit wet, which is fine. And you can see here that my hair is already a bit damaged from some past dyes. And this is kind of the length that I'm working with right now. I've already put some product in my hair, so I'll just show you guys what I used. So the first product that I already put in my hair was this heat protector styling cream. These products that I'm going to show you are nothing really special, just like basic products that I actually got off base here in Germany. Then I used this Sleek Me blowout lotion, which I actually did get in the States and brought back here. And then lastly, I just used this Miracle leave-in conditioner because you always need some type of leave-in conditioner. For me anyways, I need a leave-in conditioner before I blow out anything. So normally the first thing that I do when I blow dry my hair is section it off. And my hair is not, I don't know, types I really don't, like 4C, 4 whatever. I don't know what type of hair my hair is. If you do know, maybe you can put it in the description bar below. I can kind of educate myself. But as you can see, this is kind of the curls that I'm working with. And I'm actually a bit surprised right now because it looks super curly and I thought my hair was so damaged, but it looks not too bad. But anyways, my hair is not like super coarse. It's actually really soft, so it actually doesn't take too much to blow dry my hair. Nevertheless, I still have to section it off when I start the blow dry. So I normally take about this much hair to start, and then I clip it up like that. And then I kind of separate it down the middle, and then just clip the other side up. And I take this type of brush and just comb it out first to get all the knots out. And I get my brush. I have my blow dryer at the highest heat, and then I'm gonna put it also at the highest level to blow dry. And I take the brush and I start here at the root, pull super hard, and then I turn this on. And so just like that, I kind of concentrate on that hair. And sometimes I kind of do it also at an angle. You'll see when it starts to get a bit too hot. So I'm doing it at an angle. It literally doesn't take that much to straighten my hair. As you can see, it's straight at the root. I have to do it just a few more times. And when I'm done getting the roots straight, then I take the brush and I turn it backwards like this, and then I blow dry this way. Basically, that is the finished blow dried product. So now I'm just gonna start with the other side. And when I blow dry my hair, it's just like a thing with me. I just alternate between sides because, I don't know, I just do. product right now. It's still way too poofy for me. So guys, this is the same flat iron which I used in my other video where I showed you how to curl your hair with a flat iron. So this is the finished look after flat iron. I also ended up cutting my ends because it looked really gross. And now for the first time, I'm gonna try to do a silk wrap and then I'll show you guys how that turns out. That silk wrap, and now I'm just gonna take it down for you, but you can already see it's like already super silky right now. So let's just so that is the finished blowout, and normally this takes me about an hour to do. So after I've washed my hair, then the blowout and flat iron just takes 1 hour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you guys think in the comments below.